guys, welcome to my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. And you can see right here I got a tech unboxing to do. So this is the Realme C35 entry phone. I'll just quickly take a look at the box here. Okay, there's nothing here, nothing there. So the back here we've got a bit of a spec sheets here. It says it's got a 50 megapixel triple camera system. We have a 16.7 inch, well 6.6 inch full HD display. It's pretty slim. It says here it's about 8.11 millimeter. We got a 5000 milliamp battery. This phone comes with a Unisoc Tiger T616 entry chip. Well, unfortunately it's not Snapdragon, but it's supposed to be an entry phone, so the specs, it's an entry spec. But however, it comes with octa-core, comes with a micro SD slot as well, and this phone that I'm getting comes with a 4 gig and 1 to 8 gig internal memory. Okay, made in China. I think that covers all the specs. So let's open it up and we'll feel the unboxing experience. A nice welcome message. Hey, welcome to Realme family. I guess it's all paperwork. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through that. Oh, there's a SIM injection tool here. Okay, we've got a, it says let's embrace a new journey. So we've got a SIM injection tool. So documentation, we'll look at that later. Okay, it looks like it comes with a free screen protector. Nothing fancy there. And okay, this is the phone itself. Okay, we'll look into this later. We'll just check what else is in the box. It comes with a charging brick, 18-watt charging brick. Probably not fast charger, I'm not sure. And comes with a white USB-C cable. And I think that's it for the box. So now we'll take a look at the phone. Ooh. Oh, the phone feels pretty nice. Actually, for an entry phone like this, I'll just take this label off. Wow, this actually looks really nice. So that. So this phone, this material here, it's plastic, but it has a really nice premium feel to the phone. The side here feels metallic, and that green shine. It's really nice. Well, this is a 3 camera setup. We got a nice Realme branding here. This is the volume rocker. This is for the SIM tool. Sorry, this is for the SIM card. Very clean at the top. And we got a headphone jack and a USB-C charger port. And these are the speaker. Oh, well, design. Look at this. This little. It has a little hinge or a curved design for the power button. really nice. Let's have a quick look at the startup screen. So it's Realme. So we got a front-facing camera here with a teardrop cutout. Okay, I'm halfway through the setup. So it's using a Realme UI for the OS. Okay, we're seeing the startup screen for the first time, and it looks really clean. It looks stock Android. Yeah, that's pretty clean. That's okay. Well, there's a few annoying software installation that I don't need, but it's fine. Looks really clean. That's one thing I want to check. So far the phone feels pretty smooth. Okay, it's still running on Android 11. We're gonna test the sound of the phone. Well, pretty loud. Not that. It's not that bad. Oh, now that's pretty loud. So there you go. That's the quick unboxing video for the Realme C35 phone. I think this is a really good looking phone, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.